Hey, what's up, Anchor coin holder? Here is something very different from other my friend, and I can't expect this my friend from any coin to they will do this like my friend. I think it's something very different now from other. And my friend, let me explain to what is this and what I have also two good news for all of you, my friends. So this is very important for all of you to watch this video. And my friend, I have a special message also for you. So before I get started this video, I have one request to subscribe this channel and press bell icon for videos notification. Thank you so much, my brothers. This time, if you can see here, the Ankr coin price will suddenly very badly dumps down from last 3 days. And of course, there is a two reason, my friend, which I found. The first reason was that to short-term investors starting selling at the end of month. The second reason was also this same like that because especially all a long-term investor and short-term all holders are starting buying at the start of month but sell it at the end of month. So therefore, at the end of month the price will dumps down. But don't worry, if they were dumps down, that's not a matter, my friend, because I have a good news also for you, my friend. Two, on the 1st November, the big event is coming soon. On the 5th November, 100%, my friend. Suddenly, I will clearly tell you to they will pumping up. And why I tell you this? Because of other experts predicate this coin, I also predicate this coin, and we will completely found this. We will, after a very hard research, my friend, I found this to the price will completely go to the moon. They will suddenly moving upward, and I hope to they will give you a very good profit. So therefore, I will notify you, my viewers, my subscribers, my message for all of you to please before 5th November explosion 100% buy it. I will give you guarantee to at the end of November they will make you millionaire. So don't miss this chance. Please take a risk and get 100% profit. I hope my friends too, after a very bad falls every coin will pump up. So therefore I'm 100% also clear to in upcoming time also they will completely wake up and give you a profit. So don't miss this chance. Please take a risk and get 100% profit. This time you can still minus 11.76%. They will fail down. So does not mean my friends they will completely permanently fail down. I hope they will wake up. See you next time. Allah Hafiz. Take care.